Harvard Extension School's online experience is unparalleled. When you join our live class sessions, you are joining with students from literally around the world. And the conversations that you get to have in that global classroom are unlike anything that you can experience in a real life setting. You've got people that are full-time professionals, and they may not have time to quit their job and come be full-time student on campus, but they can join our global classroom, and they do. And the insights and the conversations that happen as a result of that global classroom are truly extraordinary. And that's the power of the online experience at Harvard Extension School. The asynchronous option gives them the flexibility to participate in our classes and to get the tools and the knowledge from Harvard without having to change their whole schedule around for it. And so asynchronous option is perfect for students who are busy with work, busy with family, or busy with other obligations, but still have the yearning and the desire to advance. And the asynchronous options that we have at Harvard Extension School are perfect for those types of students.